trying out a new product today from No-Coast Turf called Main Event Dry Iron. It's a 3-pound bag, and that 3-pound bag will cover 16,000 to 48,000 square feet. We're gonna do about a 1,200 square foot section of the lawn to give it a try and see how it works. You see our application right here, so we're working with a cool season lawn. So it's 1.1 to 3.3 dry ounces per 1,000 square feet. We're gonna open this up and try to put in about, we're gonna go in the 1.1 ounce range. So 1.1 ounces is 2 tablespoons of dry. So I don't have a measuring cup, but I'm sure most of you, if you try this, aren't gonna use an exact science either. Looks like 1, that looks like 2, and we'll add a little more for good measure. It does say here, during periods of active growth only, apply every 14 to 21 days in a minimum of 3 gallons of water per 1,000 square feet. So I don't have a sprayer that's 3 gallons. I only have a 2-gallon sprayer. I have this leftover bottle from some Simple Lawn Solutions product that I put down 2 years ago. So we just put, probably a little more than 2 tablespoons in here. We'll make a concentrate, and then we'll spread this over the 1,200 square feet and make sure we water it in real good. All right, we've got this concentrate, so now we're gonna spread it over this 1,200 square feet, and then we'll go back through and water it in. So it'll work. Oh, it says non-staining. We're gonna find out. And we're going right along this line here at the end of the garage. So we'll get a good idea of what it looks like. All right, so we just got done spraying this area of about 1,200 square feet with Main Event Dry Iron. And when I had reached out to No-Coast Turf, they recommended 5 to 7 days prior to the green up. So it's Tuesday, the Tuesday before Memorial Day. So we'll come back here later in the week and see what it looks like. So it's been a week since I put down Main Event Dry Iron. And if you remember, we made this our line here. It's definitely greener on this side, but I can't say that I notice any considerable difference in putting that down versus regular, the flagship fertilizer. I didn't go the full rate. I didn't. There's no mixing instructions either on the website or on the label, so it may not have been the right way to put it down, but I don't have a container that mixes 3 gallons. Is it worth it? I think the jury's still out. I think that the instructions on this, on how to apply it, are really lacking, but I think that we need to try it again, maybe at a higher concentrate, and maybe not water it in so that it has time to set on the blades and possibly absorb that way. And if you're seeing bright green lines in the yard a week or so after you fertilized and you're not sure what to do, check out this video here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.